Hi guys, to change or add email address in Discord you need to verify it. To do this you need to go to user settings, click on this gear icon next to your profile name, stay on my account tab, and here you can see your email. So to change this email you need to click on edit and verify your email address. Click on send verification code. Now go to your web browser, go to your email application, in my case this is Gmail, and find the latest email from Discord, copy this code, paste it to this field in Discord, click on next, and answer this question. Let it be something else. Now you need to enter your email, your new email. But I'm not going to do this. I don't want to change my email, so I just shown you the steps. If you haven't added email yet, you will see add email button here, so repeat the same steps. You need to just verify your email with this code, and that's it. I hope this was helpful, guys. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome.